In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Drive file shared with you offline, if you're heading somewhere with spotty internet, or just want a reliable backup. Making a shared Google Drive file available offline is a great idea. I'll walk you through the exact clicks so you can open and work with that file even when you're not connected. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Google homepage. In the top right corner, you'll see the Google Apps grid, the little square made of dots. Click that to open the app launcher, then choose Drive. This takes you into your Google Drive. Once Drive loads, look to the left-hand sidebar and select Shared with Me. This view shows files and folders that other people have shared with you. Give it a moment to populate if you have a lot of items, and make sure you're signed into the correct account if you use more than one. Find the file you want to use offline. Hover over it. Then click the three vertical dots to open the More Actions menu. In that menu, click Make Available Offline. Drive will begin downloading the necessary data in the background so the file is ready when you're offline. Keep your device connected until the download finishes. Larger files or videos can take a bit longer. You may see a small indicator that confirms when it's ready. Here's what to expect once it's offline. For Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides, you can open and edit the file without internet, and your changes will sync automatically the next time you're online, as long as you have edit access. If you only have view access, you'll still be able to open and read the file offline, but you won't be able to make edits. For other supported file types, like PDFs, images, and some videos, you can open or preview them offline directly in Drive. A few quick tips for a smooth experience. Make sure you have enough storage space on your device, because offline files need room to download. Stay signed in to the same Google account you used to mark the file for offline access. If you don't see the Make Available Offline option, it may mean that offline access isn't supported for that specific item, or that your organization has restricted it. That's all there is to it. Open Google, launch Drive from the app grid, go to Shared with Me, open the Files More Actions menu, and choose Make Available Offline. With those clicks, your shared file will be ready whenever you are. No connection required.